Good morning. So I'm just going to grab some tea. I don't drink coffee. I'm not going to talk too much, but in the mornings this is my favorite mug. It was gifted to me by one of the residents here, and I'm gonna make me some tea. Lemon. This is a huge coffee machine, like huge. Okay guys, so I have my tea. I'm going to go set up the rest of the office. I'll see you guys back in the office. How may I help you? Hi. You would like to put in a work order? Okay, what's wrong? I'll go ahead and put that work order in for you. Which kitchen light is it? Is the one closest to the door? Okay, and what unit are you in? And your name? Yes, I'm doing good today. Thanks for asking. I'm going to call maintenance, let them know, and they should be coming to your unit anytime soon. Would you like for them to go ahead and enter, or would you want them to call or knock first? I'll put in the notes for them to call, okay? You guys, sometimes you put in a lease back, the hole punching, all the holes don't match up. So right now I am just putting, and it's just me in the office today. So right now I'm putting the correspondence into the lease. I want to show you guys what it looks like because I'm not being the best teacher I can if I'm not showing you. But this is just their renter's insurance that everybody is supposed to get. If it would just focus, hopefully I could hide the name. Get off my face. So it's hide it. It's nationwide. Everybody, if you rent an apartment, you have to get renter's insurance before you possess keys, because you need to have the unit insured. So it's kind of like car insurance. You can't drive a car off the lot unless you have car insurance, because you need to ensure anything can happen from leaving the lot to getting home. So hence car insurance. Same thing when you get an apartment. It's something called renter's insurance. I don't care how much money you have. If you don't have renter's insurance, you're not moving in until you give us your declaration page. So for leasing agents out there that have questions, it's called a declaration page or a tech page, or a tech section of the declaration page. And you're going to want to make sure that the policy number is listed. Depending on the property that you're at, they may ask you to make sure that all occupants that will be occupying on the lease I thought that was the store. Lord Jesus is a fire. Of course, the dates have to be correct for your lease term. And if you're renewing, you're going to have to renew your renter's insurance and then send us an updated copy of the renewed declaration page. But a lot of things that people miss is the additional insured interested party. Additional interested insured party, however you want to say it. You're going to have to make sure that you list that property as an additional insured party. Because when you get renter's insurance, if you don't put that down, that's basically like getting renter's insurance for what apartment? So just to keep it in a nutshell, is basically this is the apartment that I'm insuring under this apartment complex. That's what you're doing by listing us as the additional insured interested party. And I know that's very long-winded, but you gotta learn it, and that's the word. So boom.